If you guys want to see me build intercooler pipes on the Nissan Skyline, then you come to the right place. What's going on, guys? It is absolutely gorgeous here in Georgia today. So I've got the shop open, got the Skyline outside, you know, just enjoying the ambiance of nature. Got the garage pretty clean, working on you know, welding some aluminum. So I got a little bit of a start on the intercooler piping. Right now I'm working on the cold air intake, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with that, and then next I'm gonna work on the charge pipe on this side and that side. Once that's done, I think we're gonna go ahead and swap out the valve covers and finish up a couple things, and hopefully she'll be ready to start, so y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm trying a new camera angle. I hope this is working out. So anyway, what I'm gonna do now is I've got to cut this pipe for the cold air intake. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and I'm going to get ready to weld it up. So I may speed this up a little bit, but I hope you guys enjoy the footage. yeah, finally made it all the way around. I think that's like 30 freaking minutes. I think my gas is just a tad low. This is literally the second aluminum pipe I've ever welded in my life. That one and this one. So I would say all things considered, it's not horrible. But just being honest with you guys, I mean, this is where I'm at right now. It's been 15 years since I TIG welded, so the pipe is something I've never done before. So this is definitely a learning experience. But I think at least, you know, at least it's solid. Not exactly beautiful, but I think once I polish this up a little bit, you know, it'll look good. Happy with it right now. Alright guys, so I'm out here looking at the Skyline. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out of here, and there's going to be another 60 that points down towards this hole right here. And I'm going to have to drill that out, you know, for the pipe to go through. So right now I'm just trying to figure out how long this pipe needs to be to hit the other 60 to go down into that hole. So just wanted you guys to see both sides of this. Alright guys, so I got this side done. Here's the cold air intake pipe, and the charge pipe is done. When I say done, I mean fabricated. This is all tightened up and in. I still got to polish everything, but it's in there. So the charge pipe comes all the way down to the intercooler there. You can see the filter. It's going to be well inside the bumper. Got a one of those water jacket things on there, so that'll be nice. I did work on the driver's side, but I had a little issue. I had ordered a fitting to go on this throttle body, which is an odd size. It's 3 1/4, and so I ordered a coupling from 3 1/4 to 2 1/2, but they sent a 3 1/4 to a 3-inch, and I just didn't notice. I've had it for probably about a month, so I've got to order another one. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a 2 1/2-inch hole right here, and I'm going to put a 3 1/4 to a 2 1/2 45 coupling right here, a silicone blue coupling like that one. And then this intercooler pipe, hopefully there's enough light here. This intercooler pipe I'm gonna have to redo a little bit, but I'm gonna basically turn this 90 pointing up, you know, and then I'll have a piece of pipe coming through with another 90 to hit that silicone coupling. So, and then the blow-off valve is gonna go probably right here. So, you know, that should clear the bumper, but I'll test for that. I may face it down or up. I might put it facing up, like right here, wherever it fits best, but the blow-off valve is going to be right in here. So, but I'm really close to being done with that. But like I said, I've got to order that silicone coupling so I can make sure everything lines up just right before I drill a hole through the inner fender. So anyway, I think I made some pretty good progress today. I don't want to have too long of a video on this, so I'll probably end it off here. Losing daylight, so I figured I'd go ahead and just call it a night. We got plenty of time to get this thing done, so next time we'll finish up when that silicone coupling gets here. We'll finish up the charge pipe on this side and get the valve cover swapped out. I really want to have most of the work done, like the charge pipes and everything, before I swap this over, so there's less of a chance of scratching the new valve cover. So I'm just gonna hold off on that. But anyway, everything's coming out really good. I'm happy with it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video on the Skyline, and I appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time.